Black Orchard Haunted House down here in Shelbyville, Kentucky is the home of the Black family. They run the Black Orchard Meats Company, and their slogan is they have the freshest meat in town. And we are gonna take you inside to see why. Where they get their meat from might be a mystery, but how they get their scares is not. This is a high intensity attraction, and they are a light touch haunt. We've got myself and Nora and Tracy here with us tonight, so without further ado, let's get in line here and see if we can get some scares.
That second stall,
Oh my.
right around my friends here.
Okay. Oh, that's beautiful.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Hello.
We're back. We're back.
All right, guys. So there's a rumor that's been going around town saying that we don't have the freshest meats. Me being biased, I believe we have USDA prime beef.
Okay.
But you all can make that determination at the end. So when that bell tolls behind me, guys, guess what? Tag. You're it.
Uh-oh.
We're it.
next.
Woo!
We're on deck.
I don't know if I want to know how we're going to find out at the end if the meat is USDA or not.
So what's USDA stand for here?
Guess you'll have to find out on the inside.
Uh-oh.
The Underground Secret Department of Assassination.
I haven't had any complaints yet. Everybody loves the meat here, so you know, the family loves it.
Well, just because you haven't had any complaints
if
doesn't
people-
necessarily mean they love it.
People aren't surviving, they can't complain.
Right. Oh, the bell
That's the
has
bell.
tolled.
Tag or it.
I don't know what the bell said, but it tolled.
It told tag you're it?
No, yeah, that's right.
Ooh. What's going on over there?
He says we're walking too
Okay.
slow.
Ooh, the chicken coops.
Chicken coops.
Here they are. Come on in, my new little group of livestock.
Livestock?
No.
How's everybody doing?
Good, good.
Wonderful.
I'm Atticus Black. Welcome to Black Family Orchard and Butcher Shop.
Thank you,
Hey,
Thank you
Atticus.
for coming on my tour. Give me all your damn money. I surely do appreciate it. Helps us expand our entrepreneurial visions, if you know what I mean. Make sure we got the best meat in town, which we do.
Okay.
USDA's choice, which I guess I shouldn't say 100%. It's like 98 because we had a Brazilian here last week.
Oh,
Spicy, but it was good.
that'd be
Oh.
S.
Burger, a little bit of cheese. Oh, so good. Anyway, you guys are going to learn all about that. You go inside, you're going to meet my family here in a minute. Make sure my factory is up to standards, up to snuff, up to par. Please don't use snuff as the operative word there. That'd be kind of weird.
Okay.
But anyway, they're all nice people. They all know what they're doing. We had the heat department come out last week, gave me a 98% score.
The heat department?
Heat department.
Oh,
My
the
cousin
heat.
Heath.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah,
no, the
cousin
health
Heath.
department, we don't like the government types around here. You know what I mean? You're not one of them, are you?
No.
Not a
No.
vegan either.
Absolutely not.
We're not a Heath.
Not a Heath?
No.
Like I said, it's my cousin Heath. He's a good man.
Yeah.
Not the health department. Anyway, everybody in town says we're deviant, says we're a cult, says we got bad meat. None of those things are true, except for deviant part. Yeah, we're kind of deviants.
Kind
But
of
we're not a cult. That'd be weird. We ain't got no Kool-Aid. We do have the best meat around. Unlike that nasty crap you might get at the K. Rogers or the Save a Penny. You know how it is. You just want to have spaghetti dinner one night. It's already
Yeah.
brown and gray when you put it in the frying pan. You're doing the scratch and sniff test on it. Make sure it's edible. It's not. You should have just come to Old Atticus because, again, best meat in town.
Okay.
You guys got any questions for me? Nothing at
Where,
all.
where do you
No.
source your meat?
Yeah.
Well, it's locally grown.
Locally grown.
Mostly, like I said, that 98%. We did have the Brazilian. We raise all of our livestock. We love them. We cuddle them. We give them names. We feed
Oh,
them.
good.
You know, milk carton cows. Hell, we got that too. What's your name?
Nora.
Nora. That's a good name for livestock. Anyway, you guys are gonna head all the way around this wheel. We're back at my portable butcher shop. Sometimes my
Portable.
Sometimes my bedroom. Sometimes entertainment. Sometimes I like to Netflix and kill. You know.
Yeah, Netflix and
Entertainment?
kill, yeah.
Doesn't really look like he's been sleeping
God.
there anytime soon. Yuck. I don't think I want any meat out of that truck.
Oh, they got stuff hanging in the trees. But it's not a culty shit, so we're good.
No, we're good.
Oh, God.
You come to help, yes.
You come to help.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah,
Find me
yeah.
shiny, find me treat. That is
Shiny?
the toll that must be paid, yes.
Okay.
Once, yes.
Oh,
my
yes,
God.
yes.
This way, yes.
Yes.
Oh, we got
We gotta find the
we got a
treats.
claw and we got a shovel and we gotta find the shinies.
Yes.
Where's we got?
Shiny?
Oh, there's a shiny over here.
Oh.
Oh, that's not.
Okay.
That don't look good.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, there's something.
Oh, God.
Whoa! Who are you?
A nice hand.
What's?
There's
And a
something there.
spoon.
I think we have a
Oh,
spoon.
we
Treat,
found-
you found treat,
Oh,
yes.
it's a treat.
We had a spoon.
Yum.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my.
Oh, there's
Yum.
yeah, spoon.
Oh,
Oh, are
get
you
it?
sharing?
Oh, that's a shiny.
Yes, yes, I can.
Later. Can I come back later?
Yes, yes.
Thank
She's
you.
got a shiny.
Yeah, she has shiny.
She's got a shiny.
Oh God. Okay.
She's got a shiny.
My shiny.
Oh.
She took it.
I have treat time. Okay, yes.
Oh yeah.
Okay, it'll hold you over for a
Treats
little.
are good. Treats are good.
She took off this way.
These birds look like that guy's staff.
Yeah.
Wait for it. I'll try the meat.
No. Yeah.
Yeah,
Wait either.
we are hungry.
Get some of that Brazilian meat.
Y'all are hungry.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are hungry, actually.
Oh God.
Jesus.
There's the big guy.
What the hell did he just put on me?
What in the world?
There he is.
I don't know. It's Skewy.
Oh,
Whoa. That was a good spot there. Oh. Okay.
Oh, he's stalking us.
Uh-oh.
I think he knows something we don't.
New
I think
friend.
he does.
Race, I'm seeing all around our butcher shop.
Oh yeah.
Who?
Lots of good eating.
Right here. Oh.
You did.
I wonder what these boxes are for. Oh, that's a casket. There's a hearse.
Big hearse.
Oh,
Yeah.
my. Oh God, something coming at
Oh
us.
shit.
Uh-oh.
It's
I
critters.
don't know where that one came from.
Woodland critters.
Yeah.
He seems perturbed about something.
What in the world?
New friend. New friend.
New friends.
What's going on there?
I hear that piggy.
I hear a piggy.
Yes. Oh, you again. Oh, shoot. See, I knew it was too quiet for a second. I knew it. He's got a bat.
Oh, yeah, there he is again.
That's where you were going.
You're good, brother.
Brother? Uh-oh. He must be one of the blacks,
Uh-oh, we're
too.
getting batty.
Birds. There's the piggy.
Uh-oh. Oh, God.
Come on in, little pigs.
Oh.
Right this way.
Right this way.
Watch your step.
Watch your step. Step.
I need you to line it up right
Okay.
here for me.
We can do
I
that.
should give you some PTSD flashbacks real quick.
PTSD.
Oh yeah, we got ooh, and there's 3 little pigs. That's my favorite thing. Now, I am Bray the Butcher.
Okay, Bray.
Bray, yeah, see? At least somebody says hi to me. Hurts my feelings. They're always like, yeah. So, who cares? Well, I care. All right, names are important.
They are.
Now, speaking of, this here's Abby.
Hi, Abby.
Hi, Abby.
Yeah, see, we say hello in this house. Abby helps me tenderize all the meat here.
I
She
Oh,
does.
yeah.
Now, we make sure that the meat is nice and alive first, because it tastes better that way.
Okay.
So much better that way.
So
That's how it's
fresh.
So
fresh.
she makes sure that the screaming, mooing stops.
Mooing.
Cows moo, right? It's
Mooing.
cows
Right,
that do it,
right,
right?
right,
Yes,
Cool, cool.
yes,
See, I'm not used to working with
Right,
cows. I mean, I am
right,
used to
yeah.
working with cows. Right, now,
Right.
this here is my imaginary friend Charlie. He's
Hi,
great,
Charlie.
real sweetheart. Everything that's wrong is always his fault, though.
He never back talks.
He sometimes talks.
Oh.
He sometimes doesn't. I hear him, but a lot of people don't. It makes them sad. But y'all didn't come here to see little old me. Y'all didn't come here to see Abby. Y'all didn't come here to see Charlie. You came to see what's in the meat. So if y'all ready to see the meat, give me a big old Stone Cold Steve Austin. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Oh, that was great. I didn't even have to ask what. All right this way. Come on in. Good
Well,
shot.
that's a pig.
Oh.
That's a
I
pig,
think.
too.
Yeah, I'm more used to
Yeah.
pigs than cows. That's why I
Okay,
wasn't sure.
okay.
So right
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Now this here's my world famous gray hot dog stew. All right, are you ready for this?
I don't think so.
I don't think y'all.
Oh, God.
I don't think y'all.
God.
You ain't ready.
Not
for it.
ready.
Now see, I test quality of meat. Right here on your face. Oh yeah. I gotta get it on your face. I gotta get it on your face. Oh yeah. I gotta get everybody. Charlie,
We've been
feels left
consecrated.
out because nobody can see him. You know how we fix that?
How?
All the way down that curtain, what we need to do is go, Charlie, Charlie,
Okay.
Charlie,
We can do that.
Charlie,
Charlie. 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 Is that Charlie?
Is that Charlie?
Is that Charlie? I think it is.
Oh, God. That's not Charlie. I don't think it's Charlie. Oh, God.
It might
Oh,
be.
God, he's coming on there.
Oh, no,
Oh, God.
no. Shit.
Oh, my.
He's got a real cleaver. Oh, where did he go?
Oh, get into
almost got his head cut off.
More piggies.
Big piggy. Hi there, piggy.
There's some farm equipment. Oh,
Shit.
come pull.
Ooh, I don't trust you, piggy. Don't do it. I don't trust
Piggy. Oh,
I
got
tried.
one first.
Oh,
Are you
God.
enjoying your fine tour of our establishment?
I am enjoying it a lot.
Yeah,
Wait,
so much.
did you hear that?
Yes.
They're telling me we're serving people now?
Oh, no.
No, that can't be true.
No.
That's true.
No. Don't listen to them.
That's not true. Don't listen. Look, it's a nice, fine Thanksgiving-style bird.
Yes.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yes.
I mean, would you please sample? Please sample it. Oh, thank you.
It's a little tough, but it's good. It's
How dare you
good.
insult my bird?
You need to go see
Not-
what's his name up front with the meat tenderizer.
Oh, yes. Yes, the
Yeah.
tenderizer.
Don't listen to them!
Oh my.
You have your ears! Cover your ears! Don't listen!
Oh, we
Don't
we
listen
can't
to
listen.
them! You know they're lying!
Oh, they're
Don't
lying?
listen to them! They're lying! Don't
It's a
listen!
lie.
Okay.
It's a
Don't
conspiracy.
listen to them!
I'll ignore them.
Oh
Don't
my.
listen to them! They're lying!
Okay,
They're
okay.
lying.
They're lying!
Oh,
Don't
God.
listen! Don't listen to them, please! Don't listen!
It's
They're
a-
lying!
it's a lie.
Look at all my beautiful stuff I've been collecting over the years! Ain't she so pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You wanna hold her?
No.
Why?
She just, no.
I think shiny?
Oh.
Here.
Yeah, those
That's
are
a lot of
jingles.
keys.
Here. No!
That's a lot of keys.
They're mine! They're my prized possession!
Those
Oh,
might go
yeah.
to something.
Oh,
my God. That's where she went.
Oh.
Ringing that bell.
Oh, this must be.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Tyler up front!
Oh.
Against the wall, please!
I guess
Okay.
Logan, no.
Alright, I'm trying to make sure that we're all nice and clean. Y'all like being clean?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Alright, great. Fantastic. I just need to see some hands, okay? That's where it starts. What is this?
Oh.
What is that? What is that? Oh, God! How disgusting! All of you, what about you? What about you? Both of you! Take a double right! You're all gross. You all must be out of my
gross.
room.
We had tattoos.
It's
You think
tainted.
gross?
You all need to get
Oh,
out!
I'm sorry.
Oh, God.
We are a bunch of dirty,
No,
What about
dirty
Tiffany?
people. We are
Tiffany
dirty.
is not very clean either.
Tiffany the torso is no good.
No! They've all lost their mind! I thought they were normal! They're lying!
They're not normal. They're not normal people. Oh, God.
What the hell?
That doesn't sound good at all.
Why is he like that? Oh God. Don't touch that.
Oh, boy.
Okay. Blockbuster. Oh gosh. Shit. Why do they give him real weapons? Pigs should not have weapons.
Oh, my.
Over there. Whoa. He's the pig. Shit.
Oh, God.
Shit. Oh my God. Whoa. I got tag team by the pigs. Oh God. Don't eat it.
Oh no.
Do not eat the meat.
Oh, that's been in here.
Where did that one come from? Oh gosh.
Oh, that's the song. Developing.
You killed him?
That's your favorite one?
Oh. Taxidermy? No. That's not good. No. No, I don't think so. Oh. Okay. Clean. Well, she thought I was dirty because I have tattoos.
Scrub those off before you go.
No, that's not
scrub 'em
necessary.
off.
That's
Oh,
not
God.
necessary.
Oh, my.
Chicken, creepy.
What is
Right there. She's gonna get me.
To come back.
Here she comes. Oh gosh. Shit. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
What the hell does my head say?
It says shh.
It just says shh. Yeah, with exclamation points.
With exclamation points.
Marks.
All right, guys, well, that about sums it up here for Black Orchard Haunted House. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. We absolutely loved it. Everybody's firing on all cylinders. If this is your first time watching, we are the Scare Factor. We're haunted attraction enthusiasts, and we like to help other haunt enthusiasts like you discover more about haunted houses. Come out to see Black Orchard this year, tell them the Scare Factor sent you. If you want to see our full review with ratings, check out our website, thescarefactor.com. We're going to head on off to the next haunt. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.